What if everything you see right now, your phone, your room, the people around you, is nothing more than lines of code? And what if, at this exact moment, the creators of this universe just logged in? Imagine opening a game and realizing the characters inside it are real. Now, imagine the opposite. You are the character, and someone just opened the game. Right now, they might be watching you.
Welcome to What If Phenomena. Today we're exploring one of the most unsettling ideas ever proposed by scientists and philosophers. It's called the simulation hypothesis. Even tech leaders like Elon Musk believe there's a serious possibility that reality might not be real. What if our entire universe, every planet, every memory, every moment of your life is running on a computer somewhere far beyond our understanding? And today, the creators just logged in. The idea sounds like science fiction, but it actually comes from real scientific thinking. If a civilization becomes advanced enough, it could simulate entire universes. Not simple video games, but worlds filled with conscious beings, people who believe their reality is real, people like us. If even one advanced civilization created billions of simulations, then statistically, the number of simulated worlds would massively outnumber real ones, which means something disturbing. The chances that we are living in the original universe are incredibly small. Instead, we might be living in a copy, a simulation. Now, imagine the moment the creators log in. They open the control panel of our universe. Every city appears on their screen. Every human life becomes a data file. Your thoughts, your memories, your secrets, all visible. Like characters in a game, we suddenly have an audience. At first, nothing obvious happens, but strange things begin to occur. A shadow moves when nothing is there. A sound echoes in an empty room. Then, the glitches begin. Gravity flickers for a second. Your coffee cup floats, then drops like nothing happened. Memories start changing. You clearly remember a conversation, but the other person swears it never happened. Time behaves strangely. A moment feels like it lasted forever, or hours disappear in seconds. The simulation is being tested. Eventually, curiosity takes over. The creators begin experimenting. A city suddenly loses electricity for days. Another city experiences impossible weather. A storm that moves backwards, rain falling upward. Then something even stranger. One region wakes up with slightly different physics. People jump and stay in the air longer than normal, as if gravity was adjusted. Because to the creators, this world is not reality. It's a laboratory, and we are the experiment. Now, think about something unsettling. Have you ever experienced a coincidence so perfect it felt impossible? Meeting the right person at the exact moment you needed them. Surviving something you definitely shouldn't have survived. Maybe those moments weren't luck. Maybe someone outside the simulation pressed save, then tried again, until the outcome looked interesting enough. So here is the real question. If the creators of this universe really just logged in, what would you do? Would you try to communicate with them? Would you live differently, knowing someone is watching every moment? Or would you continue living exactly the same, pretending reality is normal, even though deep down you now suspect it might not be? If the simulation is real, then somewhere beyond our universe, someone might be watching this exact moment, watching you watch this video. So tell me in the comments, if you discovered you were inside a simulation, would you be terrified or fascinated? Subscribe to What If Phenomena for more mind-bending scenarios. And remember, stay curious, because reality might not be what it seems.